Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe of super soft vanilla cake. As you can see that. So yeah, this is very easy and I made this vanilla cake in a pressure cooker, not using any oven or microwave. So yeah, let's get into the video and see how I made this. So for this I am using a pressure cooker of 5 liters and just putting some salt. Take as much as salt so that it covers the whole base of the pressure cooker. Salt gives the heating environment to the cake as the oven and microwave gives. So yeah, this is done. I'm just putting this cooker on gas. Make sure you don't put whistle and rubber on cover of the pressure cooker. So I'm just letting it out and just cover the pressure cooker like this and preheat the pressure cooker for 10 minutes. In this time I am going to prepare the batter of the cake. So for this I am taking here 3 tablespoons of butter. I am using here homemade butter. You can take butter from market, or if you have homemade butter you can use that. After that I am taking 3 tablespoons of refined oil in it. Refined oil gives the moisture to the cake. Now in this I am mixing here 100 grams of crushed sugar. You can take less or more amount. Now mixing this well with the help of egg beater. Now this is the first mixture. We have to prepare 3 mixtures for this. Preparing batter for cake is difficult or time taking, but making cake is very easy. So yeah, this is all set. Now I am using condensed milk in this mixer only. I am taking here 50 grams of condensed milk. This is homemade condensed milk. You can take condensed milk from market too. Yeah, just mix it well and prepare a fine mixture. Make sure you rotate your beater in a clockwise direction because it gives the fine mixture. Now this mixture is almost complete, and keeping it aside and moving on to prepare the next mixture. So for this I am taking 1 cup of milk and just taking 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in it. Vinegar gives you a very good taste. And after that I am using vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and mixing it well. So yeah, this is done. Now I am going to prepare third mixture. So for this I am taking all purpose flour, that is maida, 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of baking soda. I am not using here baking powder, I am only using baking soda here, and mix this well. Now this is done, as you can see that. Now it's time to prepare the whole batter. For this I am taking milk into that condensed milk and sugar paste as much required, mixing it well. Now I am adding that all-purpose gram flour in it and just rotate it in clockwise direction to make a perfect batter. You will see the consistency later in this video. So I am taking more gram flour in it. Make sure your batter is very smooth so that your cake will become very soft and it will look like a spongy cake. So yeah, as you can see the consistency. So this is the final consistency. You have to make a smooth batter for the cake. So now our batter is ready. Now for pouring the batter, I am taking a vessel here. This is a stainless steel vessel. You can go for aluminum or any cake maker. I am just greasing it with butter so that when our cake is ready, it comes out very easily. And after that I am adding gram flour, all-purpose gram flour. Gram flour makes cake to come out easily. Now pouring the batter into it very gently. See the consistency of the batter. Make sure you pour batter half to the vessel because it will come out and it will make fluff, so that make sure you don't fill the vessel with the batter. Now tap it well for 5 to 6 times as required so that bubbles will come out. Now our pressure cooker is preheated and put that vessel into the pressure cooker. I'm putting a plate. First I'm putting a plate in it so that it makes a base, and on the plate I'm putting this vessel with the batter. Be very careful because your pressure cooker is very hot this time. Now again cover the pressure cooker with the cover. And leave it for 30 minutes to 35 minutes on medium to low flame. Now our cake is ready after 35 minutes. The color of the cake is this, and this is super soft cake, and it comes out from the vessel very easily because the grease which we have created was very perfect. And this is very super soft cake. As you can see that I'm giving you the demo. So if you like the recipe, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and see, this is super soft and super fluffy cake. So if you like the recipe, please press thumbs up button. Until then, bye bye.